Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to master reporting in Asana. Reporting is one of Asana's most powerful features, allowing you to track project progress, monitor team workload, and visualize data in real time. Let's walk through how to set this up step by step. First, open up your Asana workspace. Once you're in, direct your attention to the left sidebar where you'll see the plan icon, which looks like a triangle. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with several project management options. This is where Asana keeps its more advanced features for organizing and analyzing your work. From that menu, select Reporting. This section is specifically designed to help you create visual dashboards and track metrics across your projects. It's an essential tool for managers and team leads who need to monitor progress without manually checking every task. Now click the Create Dashboard button. This is where you'll build your custom report from scratch. Asana offers several pre-built templates depending on what you're trying to track. So you'll see options like project progress, workload, or custom. Choose the one that best fits your needs. For example, if you're managing a team and want to see who's overloaded with tasks, the workload option is ideal. After selecting your report type, you'll be prompted to name it. Give it a clear descriptive title so you and your team can easily identify it later. Then you'll see customization options where you can filter the data by project, team member, date range, or task status. This flexibility allows you to drill down into exactly what matters most, whether that's a specific sprint, department, or deadline. Next, click Add Chart to insert visual elements into your report. Asana supports bar charts, pie charts, and line graphs, making it easy to present data in a way that's digestible at a glance. These visuals are especially helpful during team meetings or when you need to quickly assess whether a project is on track. Once your dashboard is set up, click the Share button. This generates a live URL that you can send to team members. The beauty of this is that the report updates in real time, so everyone always sees the most current data without needing to refresh or request a new version. And that's it. You've now set up a powerful reporting dashboard in Asana that keeps your team informed and aligned. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.